Hey guys, today I am preparing jute mallow, popularly known as mrenda. And first I will pick as I set aside. After that, we'll wash thrice to remove soil in it. Then we'll roughly cut them as I set aside. In my cooking pot, we'll add the traditional bicarbonate or mrenda and let it cook for a minute. Then we'll add the jute mallow. Let it cook for 3 minutes, then you start turning until it is well mixed. It's cooking so well! We'll add some water as I keep mixing. Added more water, mixed it again, and gave it time to cook. This means we are on a good track. You can see it's so slimy, an indication that it's almost cooked. It's good to go, we'll remove it. Then we'll add cooking oil in my cooking pot. Then add some onions. Add grated tomatoes and give it a quick mix. it's ready, we'll serve. Doesn't it look amazing? Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.